What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to skip days in Valheim. So as you can see, I have the console open here, and this is one of the things you'll need to be able to do this. So to be able to have the console in the first place, you need the launch option set. So you have to do dash console in your launch options, and then you can launch Valheim and press F5 and open the console like I have here. So if I press F5, you see it opens. I'll link the video for how to enable the console in Valheim in the description of this one, so you guys can check that out. Okay, so let's say we have the console. Now we also need a bed and some shelter, because we're gonna need to keep setting it to nighttime and sleeping in the bed to skip to the next day. So in order to have that, you need some fire near your shelter as well. I have this hearth here, and I have beds inside here. There's my bed up there. So let's just now set it to a later time of day. So how do we do that? Again, open up the console, press F5, and then type in devcommands. So that turned it off for me because I already had it on, but you would have it off by default and it would look like this when you enter it. It would say true. Using dev commands is not recommended and is done at your own risk. That is because these are admin commands. You can fly, spawn yourself items, change the time of day. You can really mess with the world with these. So that's why it says that, and we're gonna mess with the world now. We're gonna do TOD, and so the values are 0 is the start of the day, 1 is midnight, and 0.5 is noon. So as you can see, if I do TOD 0.5, it's gonna set it to noon. It's bright at sunshine outside. That's not what we want. We want it nighttime so we can sleep in the bed and skip to the next day. So let's do TOD 1. Perfect. It's nighttime. Now let's go to the bed and sleep in it. And I'm doing this mainly to skip days so my meads can ferment for my potions, and then I'll have the potions quicker. So we'll see. It's the next day now, still fermenting. All right, now we'll open up the console, press up, the up arrow on your keyboard, brings up your most recent command, then press enter again. So now it's set it back to midnight, and I believe we can go back to the bed and just sleep again. Oh my goodness, why have I placed it up here? Yes, we can. So I sleep again, and that'll skip to the next day. And I'm not even gonna exit the building this time. I'll do it one more time, and then we'll check the meads fermenting again. So F5, up on the arrows, enter again, set it back to midnight. I can't sleep at this time. Wait, why did that not work? Does it think it's morning? Let me try this again. F5. Setting time of day 1. Okay, going back inside. Alright, it lets me sleep. I guess you may have to leave the rested area and set the time of day and come back, or else it won't let you do that right away. But anyways, I've moved to the next day now, so now I'm 3 days I've skipped, and we'll check if my potions are ready. Done! Perfect. So we've skipped 3 days, and now the potions are done. And that's perfect for my other video. So yeah, guys, that's how you skip days in Valheim. You need a bed, and you need admin commands or dev commands. I'm going to set it back to daytime because I don't want it nighttime. Set it back to noon. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop any questions you got in the comments. Thanks for watching.